Welcome to this new episode of the Entrepreneurship videos. This is about the first steps towards your own business. You can find the slides here, download them and work through them. They help you to get your own business started. At the end of this episode, you should have a roadmap for starting your business. You should know about the different decisions that you have to make, and you should be able to evaluate each single step that finally leads you to your own business. I have subdivided your way to your business into 3 stages. In the early stage, the first stage here, it is about the business ideas. It is about the opportunities. And a completely new idea can be an opportunity. It may come from research that you have been doing and that you now want to commercialize. It can also be improvement of existing products, goods and services, or there can be lots of other options like franchising, succession, etc. In the early stage, you have to ask yourself, are you an entrepreneur? Typically, we assume that an entrepreneur believes in his idea, likes to run her own business. That is really important. If you are an entrepreneur, you like to reflect on your own activities, on your thoughts. You should work independently and you should appreciate this. And you are flexible. And maybe you should be a little bit competitive. And you can find out whether you are an entrepreneur online here. It's also important that you think about your business and write down a business plan. It is crucial that you ask yourself the following questions. Who benefits? Who are the customers? How large is the market? How do you want to make money with your ideas? Who are the competitors who are already out there or who may come to the market? And how much money do you actually need to run your business? So it is really important that you sketch out your business plan, that you write it down, because with writing it down, you think deeper about your business than just, having it in your mind. In the startup stage, the second stage here, it is really important that you start competing really early. As soon as you have a business plan, enter business plan competitions. It's not only good to see and evaluate your own business plan, but it's really important that you get coaching and counseling which always comes with these business plan competitions. That is really, really important. And finally, you have to think about the legal form. What type of legal form will your business be? Will it be a limited company? Will it be a stock company? Will it be some kind of partnership? And what name do you give your company? Maybe you want to register a trademark that nobody can take this name from you. That is very important. And as it is legal stuff, you might want to consider a lawyer who can aid you with that, who can support you with that. It is also important that you think and plan your financial resources. A decent financial plan is really important to get your business started. And, by the way, subsidies, governmental subsidies, may help you with getting your business started. So apply for these subsidies. Approach the people in the public agencies handing out subsidies. This is really important. Seek advice from experts. This is really, really important, that you see these people as your friends and they help you a great deal. Additionally, more administrative stuff is waiting for you. You have to register your company, you have to pay Social Security, and you have to pay tax. So for that reason, most of the time we recommend that you consult a tax lawyer or a tax advisor, which is really important that you don't screw up in this early phase of your startup. And in the growth stage, it is really important that you keep in mind there's numerous organizations out there that help you with growing your business. Support for further education, support for your first employees is out there, public support, financing the growth phase of your business, venture capitalists, business angels, etc. They can really help you. Approach them and follow our links that we have there. And finally, now at the end, you should have an idea about the roadmap. You should know about the different decisions that you have to make, and you should be able to evaluate at each single step towards your own new business. Good luck.